Your transmission speed sensor plays an important role in monitoring your vehicle's speed and sending that information to the ECM. This helps your car shift gears properly and maintain smooth engine performance. So when the sensor begins to fail, there are several warning signs you should never ignore. These signs may include rough shifting, poor acceleration, or even the check engine light turning on. In this video, we'll go over the most common symptoms so you'll know exactly what to look for. Let's begin. Symptom number 1, erratic or inaccurate speedometer readings. The first common sign is erratic or inaccurate speedometer readings. A faulty transmission speed sensor sends incorrect speed information to the vehicle's computer. When this happens, the speedometer may display the wrong speed or move up and down unexpectedly. This can make it difficult to rely on the speedometer while driving and may affect your overall driving confidence. Symptom number 2, hard or delayed gear shifting. Another noticeable symptom is hard or delayed gear shifting. When the transmission speed sensor starts failing, the vehicle's computer may not receive accurate speed data. Because of this, the transmission can hesitate before changing gears or shift more aggressively than normal. This may create a rough or jerky driving experience and make gear changes feel less smooth during acceleration. Symptom number 3, cruise control stops working. Third on the list is cruise control not working properly. The transmission speed sensor supplies speed information to the cruise control system. If the sensor is malfunctioning, the system may fail to maintain speed, refuse to activate, or suddenly turn off while driving. This can become frustrating during long trips where maintaining a constant speed is important. Number 4. ABS or traction control problems. And the final symptom is ABS or traction control system issues. The transmission speed sensor also provides important speed data to these safety systems. If the sensor fails, it may send incorrect signals or stop sending data completely. As a result, the ABS or traction control system may not function correctly or could shut down entirely. This may reduce braking performance or traction, especially on wet or slippery roads, making driving less safe. Driving with a bad transmission speed sensor is not something you should ignore for too long. Your vehicle can only handle so much stress before more serious transmission or drivability problems appear. So it's always best to repair the issue as soon as possible to avoid additional damage and costly repairs. We hope you found this video helpful, and if your car is experiencing any other issues, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.